Hey guys, it's Frank and Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and today we're going to talk about what everyone's talking about. New NCL beverage package, what it's called and what you need to know.
So I'm assuming that all of you have seen our Norwegian drink package video that we did back in August of 2017. If you haven't, there's a link above. You can check it out because some of their drink packages have remained the same.
Right, but as with anything, there's always updates and amendments.
Yes, so we are going to talk about some of the changes that they've made to the drink packages. Norwegian has added a new drink package to their family of drink packages, and it's called the Premium Plus Package.
That's right, and it's starting March of 2019, so we're already in on it.
Now, the package will cost $128 per person per day, plus a 20% gratuity. And I think that the 20% gratuity is new.
Yeah, wasn't it like 18? And now I looked at that and I thought, oh, we even upped the gratuity.
For years, Norwegian has offered the Ultimate Beverage Package, and that's been their highest package available. And they've also offered that as a free perk through their Free at Sea promotion. But now they've renamed that package the Premium Beverage Package, and it's the second program that they're going to offer.
Right. Now, in their official statement, they say that the brand new Premium Plus Beverage Package is now available on select ships as part of a pilot program. And it's going to cover drinks by the glass with no price caps.
Now, as you know, the Ultimate Beverage Package has a capped limit of $15 or less. So this is pretty cool because there's been a few cocktails that I wanted to try that were higher.
Yeah. So that's kind of good to know.
Now the thing is,
it's still going to cover still and sparkling bottled water, energy drinks, specialty coffees, select wines by the bottle when dining, and 40% off other bottles of wine, which I think is still what they used to do. Am I correct? 40% off?
I don't know. I didn't rewatch the video. So
oh, shame on you. I do believe it is.
The Premium Plus package is not going to be offered as a Free at Sea promotion. So the Ultimate Beverage Package, like we said, is being renamed the Premium Beverage Package, and we're assuming that that will be the Free at Sea that you'll get if you book your cruise and you select a drink package. It remains to be $99 a day per person plus a 20% gratuity. And you will still get beverages that are $15 or less, unlimited sodas, juices at all the bars, lounges, restaurants, etc. And Great Stirrup Cay, their private island as well.
Nice.
Harvest Cay is excluded, though, as we found out on our cruise,
That's
right?
right.
So, as always, these are the pre-cruise purchase prices. The price may vary once you get on board and you decide to purchase that. As we've seen, sometimes the prices go up that first day, right?
Right.
So just keep that in mind that the prices we've quoted are the discounted prices if you buy pre-cruise. Either beverage package will cover beers in the district brew house, because I know that's a big question. Yes. The difference, though, is the new premium package they're describing as their top shelf package, right? And it's going to cover all beverages by the glass with no price cap, and it also includes Starbucks kiosks.
Oh, well, that's nice.
Which is huge. And bottled wine, as you said earlier, and you get a discount. So
Now I know if we go back to the ultimate beverage package, that basic $99 one, they had eliminated some of the top shelf liquors, and there was a backlash against it. They're like, okay, no more Grey Goose, no more Grand Marnier, no more this, and they were like, people were like, oh hell no, and
I
so
think
they
that's-
reversed it, and they were like, okay, heard you, we'll fix it, and they did. So good for you.
now, as of right now, the Premium Plus package is only available on Norwegian Pearl, Dawn, Gem, Jewel, and Star. So it's the smaller ships that they're testing this out on. And it is also available on sailings of the Norwegian Sun that are not all-inclusive trips. So if it's an all-inclusive,
Sorry.
And it's expected to be introduced across the entire fleet by the end of this month, with the exceptions of Norwegian Sky and Pride of America. Norwegian Sky is because it's an all-inclusive ship. Pride of America, I assume, because it's registered in the United States. It's the
Yes,
only ship
USA.
united in the United States. So we hope that this has
Yeah,
helped
so
you.
there you go. So now you have the brand new Premium Plus, followed by the one underneath it, the $99 one.
Which would be the premium.
Right,
Premium
because
package.
it used to be Ultimate, now it's just
Renamed.
plain old Premium.
And we've got the corks and caps. We've got the adult and teen soda packages or programs, the children's soda programs. They can just go check that link.
absolutely.
It'll be in the
Yeah,
description
but
below.
today we just wanted to give you a little update on what everyone was talking about, the big change to NCL's drinks package. Because, when it comes to liquor, people get a little crazy.
And really, there's nothing to be crazy about.
Yeah.
It's just the same. They changed the name. I mean, that's how I feel. Unless you want to spend a little extra and, get all top shelf,
Yeah,
go for
because
it.
that's pretty much it. You're going to spend a little extra. You're going to get top shelf. There's no price cap. And of course, you're going to pay the extra 2%.
I think you'll find it disappearing after a short while. But for right now, we want to remind everybody that we are on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as here. And we want everybody to hit that subscribe button
That's
and that
right.
little bell, and you can get our notifications. But until next time, we want to remind everybody,
Travel safe.
and cruise often.